So in auxiliary verb, we have learned there are two verbs which called as the auxiliary. One is avoir and second is être. Okay. So how do we conjugate all these verbs? We have already learned j'ai for avoir, then tu, as, il, elle, a, nous avons, nous avons. Après, vous avez, avec la iz. Then we have the il plurial and el plurial, which we use as the o and te. For être, we used the conjugation as je suis, tu es, il, elle, il, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes. Then we have il plurial, el plurial, avec le sont. So these are the conjugation we having in auxiliary verb. In similar way, we have already learned the conjugation for the parler. Okay. So in similar manner, we have the two type of verb in French language. One is regular and second is irregular. Okay. So regular, irregular, we are having two type of verb. Also, we have learned that we have learned three type of main verb, which called as re ending verb, er ending verb. Okay, er ending verb and ir re ending verb and ir or oir ending verb. Okay. For example, re ending, parler, regarder, so and so forth. And in re ending, we have we can also include the here ale. In OIR, we can include vouloir, so we have divided the verb into two parts, which is regular and irregular. ER ending, RE ending, OIR or ending. Okay. So this is the one part. So in ER we can include the regarde or parler. Okay, so and so forth. And for RE ending, we can use faire, connaître, so and so forth. And for IR or OIR, we can use venir, partir, vouloir. Okay. So these are the verbs we are having when we are going to conjugate all these verbs. So we need to apply. अब इसमें हम देख रहे हैं in regard de parler we all having two type of verb, regular also and irregular also. How we can differentiate these things? So to understand all these things, first we need to apply the method which we have already done in previous classes for the regarde. How do we conjugate? Je, we eliminate the ending er and conjugate as, how do we conjugate? Any clue please? No, regard, vous, regard, il pluriel, elle pluriel. What is the ending?
Regarde.
Regard,
Regarde. E.
then yes, then e, ons,
Regardes.
regardo,
ES.
ez, ent. So these are the
E.
ending
E.
for where e, not e, only e and t. Okay, so these are the endings whenever we are going to conjugate all these things. So in similar way, we can also conjugate the parler. But there is also a verb which is in this category called as the aller. Aller. So how do we conjugate this verb? Je, tu, il, elle. यहाँ पर नो भी आएगा, ठीक है. ओ के लिए भी हम यूज करेंगे फॉर वी.
सर आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है.
Okay, and no, then we have vous, then il plurial, elle plurial. So according to rule, how do we conjugate this? A double L and er हटा देंगे ना, तो कैसे करेंगे इसको conjugate? तो how do we conjugate the verb aller? अब हम देख रहे हैं कि हमने देखा था रेगुलर इरेगुलर समझ रहे हैं हम, ठीक है. सो इन aller we conjugate as je vais. then tu, va, then il, el, va, nu, zalo, vu, zale, il
सर
pluriel,
आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही।
alle verb as je vais, tu, va, il, elle, va, nous allons, vous allez, il pluriel, elle pluriel, vont. We can also use here on. Okay, so this is the conjugation for the alle. On the other side, we have also written the conjugation for the regard as regard, regarde, tu, regard, il, elle, on, regard, then we have nous, regardons, ONS, vous, regardez, il pluriel, elle pluriel, so I'm just wanted to differentiate the regular and irregular verb. Okay, as we have discussed in the ER form, ER ending form में हम देख रहे हैं अभी. Here we have done the parler, regarder, and aller. All are the ER ending verb. You can see ER, ER, ER. Okay, but the verb parler, parler and regarder are the regular, and aller is the irregular verb. Because aller is not conjugated as we conjugate parler and regarder. Okay, so that's why these are the irregular verb. So we are also having, so this is the as a kind of a exception in the ER ending list. Okay, जितने भी हमारे पास ER ending verb हैं तो उन सभी में ये एक exception है. ठीक है, so in similar way we are having lots of exceptions in all these ending verb like ER ending verb and RE ending.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
As we have discussed, ER ending, RE ending and IR ending. ठीक है, इसमें हम OIR भी लिख लेते हैं. OIR ending भी है हमारे पास. ओके, तो इन सभी वर्ब में कुछ एक्सेप्शन है जिनको हम बोलते हैं इरेगुलर वर्ब. ओके, ये ER वर्ब में भी है, REA में भी है और OIR में भी है. हमने इसके आपको एग्जांपल बता दिए हैं. ओके, तो इन एक्सेप्शन में आले भी आता है ER एंडिंग में. सो यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड ऑलवेज कि हमें हमेशा सभी वर्ब एक जैसे नहीं होते, मतलब सभी वर्बों को एक तरह से कॉन्जुगेट नहीं करना है, हमें अकॉर्डिंग टू दी एक्सेप्शंस एंड रेगुलर इरेगुलर देखना है. Okay, so these things we always need to keep in mind as that at the time of we are conjugating all the verbs. Okay, अब er ending में हमने अभी एक एक्सेप्शन देखा है जो कि था क्या, आले. ऐसे ही हमारे पास दूसरा एक्सेप्शन है मॉन्जे, जो ये भी क्या है, ये भी एक इरेगुलर वर्ब है. अब इसका जो कॉन्जुगेशन है वो कैसे है, ज मॉन्जे. je mange, tu manges, il, elle, on mange, je mange, tu manges, il, elle, on mange, nous mangions. ओके, यहाँ पर वैसे जो रूल है वहां पर उस रूल के अकॉर्डिंग क्या होना चाहिए, ये ई नहीं आना चाहिए, लेकिन यहाँ ई आता है तो इसलिए ये एक्सेप्शन में आता है, ये इरेगुलर वर्ब होता है. देन वी हैव वू की कॉन्जुगेशन क्या है हमारे पास, मॉन्ज, वू मॉन्जे, इल प्लूरियल, एल प्लूरियल, मॉन्ज. Okay, so this is the second type of the irregular verb which is in comes under in this category, er ending. Okay, so the ये दो एक्सेप्शन हम आपको बताए जो कि er ending पे हैं लेकिन ये irregular verb हैं. They are not following the similar pattern which we have already discussed in parler, regarder. Okay, these type of verbs. Okay, so we these two verbs is comes in come are comes under the irregular category.